Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into your existing Microsoft account and enable two-factor authentication. This secures your developer access. Next, choose individual versus organization. Pick based on whether you publish under your name or a company. Once decided, gather billing details and official company information. Make sure the payment method accepts $19 USD registration for an individual account or $99 USD for an organization. And keep DUNS handy if you have one. You'll now proceed into the enrollment flow in Partner Center. Sign in and follow the enrollment prompts one section at a time. Provide identity and legal details, upload verification docs like government ID or company registration, and complete any tax fields. Accurate data speeds approval. After you pay the registration fee, accept the developer agreement and watch for confirmation numbers. They're important for support. If you're adding team members, invite them and assign roles before finalizing settings. To finish, verify your email and complete any phone or identity checks sent to you. This step activates key features. Once done, monitor Partner Center. Status updates change from pending to approved or flag action required if something needs correction. If a verification fails, don't panic. Re-upload clearer documents, confirm names exactly match legal records, and use your confirmation ID when contacting Microsoft support. One tip: if verification stalls, retry from a different browser or clear cache before resubmitting documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.